Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 62. Masida. Masida. Masida is an action word or a verb which means to drink. The word Masida could be divided into 3 syllables. Masida. Ma is formed from the combination of the sounds of miyum and a. Si is formed from the combination of the sounds of siyot and e, while da is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikat and a. Masida. Let's use Masida in a sentence. No soju를 마셔요. This sentence means, do you drink soju? Let's learn the meaning of each word in the sentence. No means you. It pertains to the person you talk to. Soju is a Korean drink or a Korean alcoholic drink. Rul is used as the object particle to the object soju. Therefore, soju rul is formed from the combination of soju and rul. Soju is the object, and since its last letter is a vowel, we will be using rul as the object particle. The general rule for object particles is that if the object ending is a vowel, we'll be using rul, and if the object ending is a consonant, we'll be using ul. The next word is 마셔요. This is the present tense of our word for today, which is masida. So how is masida transformed into 마셔요? We will be using the same method. We will remove da from masida, leaving behind masi. And since the last vowel sound of masi is not a or o, we will be adding oyo. Masi plus oyo is 마셔요. The rule is, if the last vowel sound of the verb stem is a or o, we will be adding ayo. But if it is not a or o, we will add oyo. And that is the reason why we added oyo to masi. And we formed 마셔요, which is the present tense verb of masida. Let's review the words of the sentence. No means you, soju pertains to the Korean drink, and 마셔요 is the present tense verb for drinking. Therefore, the meaning of the sentence, no soju를 마셔요, is simply, do you drink soju? And with that, you've just learned Masida. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 52 to 61. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 62, masida. This is a root verb, which means to drink. Word number 61 is 먹다. This is another root verb, which means to eat. Word number 60 is 갑시다, and this is a formal way of saying, let's go. Word number 59 is 가자, and this is an informal way of saying, let's go. Word number 58 is 울다. This is another root verb, which means to cry. Word number 57 is hada, and this is another root verb, which means to do. Word number 56 is kada. This is another root verb, which means to go. Word or phrase number 55 is 뭐예요. This is an interrogative phrase, which means, what is it? Word number 54 is 이름, and this is the Korean noun for name. Word number 53 is 만나다. This is another root verb, which means to meet. And word number 52 is 아침. And this is the Korean noun for morning. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.